Hey, this is Nick Wallace. You can find me in Jackson, Mississippi, or you know what? Any parts of Mississippi. I am the chef of Nissan Cafe by Nick Wallace. It's located in the 2 Mississippi museums on North Street downtown. I was fortunate enough to live on a farm in Edwards, Mississippi, and I was kind of jammed right there with my grandmother. So she really started taking time, in the kitchen or in the farm, showing me how to harvest things and showing me how to plant, how to take care of the animals. Everything about her using her hands and preparing something the day before for the next day, or even doing pickles and jams, it was all about that. When she braised vegetables and her meat, it's like one of the most important things to food. This dish here, I did about 8 years ago, and this is for the love of my life, my grandmother. This is all these different components with my personality on the plate. This is a braised and smoked lamb shoulder. It's gonna be served with some aerated brie with soy harissa, and then also some heirloom cauliflower, which I completely love because I was 4 years old eating heirloom cauliflower that my grandmother used to make for me all the time. Carrots, and we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of sunflower seed dukkha. It's gonna be a little spicy, and maybe a tad bit sweet because we finish it with a little bit of Mississippi honey. This dish here is strength, and that's how I see Mississippi. Honestly, if I don't win tonight, it's fine, because this is the best dish that I know that I want to represent Mississippi. Coming back to Mississippi is kind of super important. It's more important to go out there and see, travels and meet people and taste people's food and see what their personality is. Because honestly, I'm super energized when I come back to Mississippi because I see another door that needs to be open. I have a nonprofit called Creativity Kitchen, and Creativity Kitchen just gave me a road to identify myself as a leader in the community. I've been connected with Billy Bronfield, which is a homeless shelter, Stew Pot. You work so hard to get to where you need to be, and then you focus on your nonprofit work kind of in those latter years. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do this while I climbed. One of the things I always wanted to do was figure out how I can redefine what school meals was. And I hosted Creativity Kitchen menus on every single Mondays because I didn't know what the kids was gonna go through on the weekend. So when he got there on Mondays, they had my breakfast menu, my lunch menu, and I just wanted to just bring them here. But I didn't just take on one middle school, I took on all 13 of the middle schools. And we successfully ran Creativity Kitchen in all 13 of Jackson Public middle schools, and if I could do anything else, that's like an honor badge for me. I have been getting a whole lot of people since I was 18 trying to get me to move from Mississippi, and I've refused because it was just something I believed in. I think my position in Mississippi is needed, and who cares what people think? This is our life. You could run it however you want. I just know Mississippi needs me, and I need Mississippi.